Hi everyone. I had a thought that I wanted to share with you for a few days now, but I didn't really know how to say it. So here it goes. I want to ask everyone what is their image of a strong person, a person with a really strong personality. And most of the times I've noticed that the person who will show the least amount of emotions facing a problem or facing an issue, they're the ones to be perceived to have the strongest personality. I read a lot about this and I came across this really nice question that had me thinking. I'm gonna ask it to you. So, which one of these three people would you prefer to be? Number one is the person who can never solve a problem by themselves, will always ask for help, and will need someone's assistance to solve a problem. Number two is the person who wants to solve all the problems by himself or by herself and will refuse any kind of help. And number three is the person who can solve the problems by themselves but will know that sometimes help will be better and advice will make the issue easier, and sometimes to step back and let someone else solve that problem for you also is an option. Personally, I would prefer to be number three. Being in a lot of situations in my life, it's really hard for some people, especially people with some kind of ego, to ask for help, to admit that someone else can do that thing better than them, admits that that person is smarter than them in that particular field, and ask for their advice. So, why do we perceive that the person who doesn't show any kind of emotion is the strongest one? That person will fall and will make a mistake someday, but they don't have the backup system that person number three does. Be the person also on the other part of the equation who would never turn down someone who came and asked you for help. You should take that as a compliment actually. If that person didn't believe in you or didn't respect your opinion or think that you are smart enough, they would have never came and asked you for advice. I hope you agree with me. Think about the question, choose which one you want to be. Let's stop believing in this silliness that whoever doesn't show emotions, doesn't apologize or doesn't cry is the strongest person, because it's absolutely not true. If you have any comment, please write it down and see you soon.